I got this cat tunnel as my free gift on TikTok, and we're about to open it and see if my cats like it. This one's super pretty. I got the light blue one. It's a little bit tinier than I expected, but let's see. Kitties! Kitty kitties! Just checking it out. He found the little ball thing. Oh, he's going in. Oh, he's going in. You gonna come play, Luna?
Don't give me a hard time.
Oh, Luna's coming to check it out now. I would call this a success. This is the most interest I've shown in like any toy that I've got them.